Hey guys, what's up? I'm Shamila Tabassum and you're watching Shimi's Kitchen. So let's make chicken Hakka noodles today. These noodles are a very popular Indochinese food that is popular all over India. It's very simple and easy to make. So let's see the process. First step is to cook noodles as per packet instruction with enough water, salt and oil. Add noodles to the boiling water. Cook for 3 minutes. Now drain and rinse in cold water immediately for a couple of times. Add few drops of oil all over the noodles. Then keep this aside. Heat 3 tablespoons oil in a wok. Add 1 tablespoon minced garlic. Goes in 2 thinly sliced onions. Saute for a minute. Next add the vegetables. Add 1 cup thinly sliced carrot, 1 cup sliced capsicum, 1 cup sliced cabbage. Saute for a minute. The vegetables have to be crunchy, so do not overcook the vegetables. To this I am adding 1 cup boiled and shredded chicken. Give this a very nice mix. Now add the cooked noodles. And now toss it well. Now adding a teaspoon of black pepper powder and 1 teaspoon salt. Adjust as per your taste. Toss again. Goes in 1 tablespoon soya sauce. And now adding 1 tablespoon chili oil. Keep tossing the noodles. Goes in 1 tablespoon vinegar. And now sprinkle some finely chopped spring onions and turn off the flame. A popular Indo-Chinese street food which packs a big flavor punch is now ready to serve. Serve immediately and enjoy. So guys, give this a try and let me know how it turned out for you. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Give a big thumbs up below. Snap a pic and tag us on Instagram page shimis.kitchen. Follow us for more short recipes and updates. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And when you do, click that little bell icon. See you with more amazing recipes. Take care and have a nice day.